Hi everyone, this is Uncle Andy from Let's Art Seoul, Korea. Today, I want to show you how to make an animal portrait collage. This collage project is very easy and fun to do for your kids. And let's start. Okay, all you need are a piece of paper, scissors, glue, and magazines. First of all, draw a rough sketch of an animal face. Bigger is better. Once you're done with the sketch, let's take a look at our magazine and find right colors for the animal, but yet interesting textures. Maybe you can cut out photos before you start so it will be efficient for the construction. When you glue images on paper, fill in the whole face. Don't worry about covering details of a face, such as eyes and nose, because you can paste them over the face. Once you're done pasting it, let's go with the face details, just like this. Okay, as you can see, I'm done and I'm sure kids will love it.